Hey, Chris Matthew here. Christian Riley and I were playing with this new site called Tiggzi, Tiggzi, and it's basically a jQuery mobile HTML5 app builder, very similar to the one I built on the airport conference. But the cool thing about this is that it attaches to basically any REST API. So it's pretty cool. You can build apps without programming. So I started building a Twitter search app, and this one just has an input box, a search button, and then a data grid below where it's going to bring back photos, names, and text that matches the tweet search. And you can just drag and drop like these controls onto this form and create kind of any user app that you want. When it comes to the REST API, you've got this configurable tool that you can put in like the URI of the REST call, the data type, the request. You can map it to like a parameter, like in this instance it's Q for the Twitter search parameter, and then you can map the whole response that comes back. It makes it easy by using things like we want to search HTML5 here. It sends a request and then comes back with all the JSON from the API, and you can automatically push that into the response, which is what I did here. Okay, so now we have the Twitter search API kind of wired up. Now we just need to bind it to these forms. So it has this this tool that you can say, okay, attach the Q parameter to my input box, and then for the response, take all of this data that comes back and push that into the data grid for me. So now you can see things like the user is mapped to the tweet from field, the photo URL is mapped to the picture, and then the text from the tweet is mapped to the tweet text. And then once you submit all that, it gives you an interface like this that you can play with. And now we can look for things like construction, hit search, and there it is. The results come back, maps to the data grid, and you have a quick little app. You can also share this with as a QR code on your phone. So then you get an app that looks like this. Pretty cool.